Hello guys, what's up? Quer ganhar este Amazing Teddy Bear Chef exclusivo? Participe da nossa próxima live de Cooking Experience, que acontecerá nesta quinta-feira às 6h30 da tarde. O sorteio será ao vivo. Agora, confira o recado da Miss Pamplona e dos seus estudantes.
Hello, Miss Pamplona here. I am super duper happy to be here with you. This week we are going to prepare
vegetable pie!
A super common and delicious dish.
Some of the ingredients are corn, tomato, broccoli, and cheese. And the spring onion is fresh from our garden.
We'll be giving away
This amazing teddy bear.
If you want to know how to take Teddy home, join our live and we'll let you know how to win it. Important message, from now on, our lives will be
Once a month.
and we'll be giving away
One amazing teddy bear.
every live we make. How cool is that? Check the ingredients on our app or on our Instagram account. And
Let's cook together!
don't worry if you can't catch our lives. Our recordings will be available on our Instagram account. See you this Thursday at 6:30 p.m. Bye!